Every place has a story. Some are told through grand landmarks. Others are found in quiet streets, local traditions, and unexpected moments along the way. Welcome to Planet V. This channel is about discovering the world one journey at a time. From historic cities and coastal towns to mountain viewpoints and countryside villages, we'll explore places rich in culture, history, and everyday life. We'll walk through ancient streets, cross bridges old and new, step inside remarkable churches and castles, and experience destinations beyond the typical postcard view. But travel is more than places. It's the food we taste, the people we meet, the traditions we encounter, and the memories created along the way. From Europe to North America and beyond, Planet V brings together travel experiences, local stories, scenic walks, cultural events, music, and moments that make each destination unique. Whether you're planning your next trip, looking for inspiration, or simply enjoy exploring from home, you're invited to come along for the journey. New adventures are always waiting just around the corner, so pack your curiosity and let's explore this incredible planet together. This is Planet V.